Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Blynk. First of all, you will type in the over here blynk.cloud. Then you are going to log in or sign up. And then over here you are going to the developer zone and press on new template and type temperature and humidity monitor. As I'm going to use the DHT11 with the ESP32. So I chose here ESP32, and over here you would choose Wi-Fi, and then done. Second thing, you are going to create a data stream, virtual bin over here, and V0. No, I will choose to be temperature. Okay, the V0, and over here double. Units will be Celsius. Okay, and the maximum will be 100. Well, create. And the second data stream will be the humidity. So type over here humidity and double V1 units. Okay, don't need it. 100. Then create. Then don't forget to save this. The second thing, I'm going to make the web dashboard. So press on edit and then go to, well, take the gauge for 1 for humidity and 1 for temperature. You can just increase this a little bit and do it over here and this over here, and press on the settings and type this one will be temperature and choose the data stream as temperature. Change the color based on the value. For example, choose whatever color you want and save. And over here, settings, this would be the humidity, and then go for V1, change the color based on the value and save. We are done with the web dashboard, then save. Well, now I want automations to be on. So yeah, the devices. Create a new device from template and type temperature and humidity monitor, for example, and then create. This is the code where you are going to copy it and type it in your code in the Arduino IDE. Okay. So if it's gone and you want to bring it back, so press on devices and then here and device info, and you will find it over here. Well, so now let's see automations. It's not on. Well, let's connect our sensor to the laptop. Let's take this device info. Okay, copy this one and put it in the Arduino over here. Okay, and then run the code. Okay, and then it's been run. So now let's see. Devices and there, and then go to where users. No, devices. No, developer zone. Okay. Yes, and the web dashboard, and here is the temperature. I guess it's not that accurate, but then it is this. Okay. Or it's accurate. Actually, now it's 16 degrees Celsius over here. Well, it's accurate. The humidity, I'm not sure. Well, let's see the automations. Okay, it's not working still. Well, go to the developer zone and press over there, and then go to the web dashboard and press Okay, go to automations. It's not okay. Go press and edit, and then make this on. Okay, and save it. Well, now can we go to the automations and see if it's working? Yes, it's working now. Device state, and I want to send this to the Gmail. How am I gonna do this? How am I going to do this? Then now let's see. Send to the email. Well, okay, this is my Gmail, and enter the subject alert the temperature, and over here press the type the temperature is, and then press on the trigger value. Okay, drag and drop. Nice. And then choose the option, this is the temperature, and save it. Great. I want another automation for the humidity, so press click on the device state and choose the humidity, and then send an email alert the humidity. So the humidity is, and then the value I want to be here, so the humidity is and the value. Then save the work, and then now let's check, is it going to send an email or not? Device, no, the developer zone, and over here this is my web dashboard, and now it's 19 degrees Celsius, and this is the humidity. So now let's see the Gmail, is it sending? What's wrong? Yeah, yes, it's sending, so it worked. Alert, the temperature is 23. What's the time? At 9:41 p.m. exactly the same now. So it was 21.4, now it's 23, and it's updating every well, this was before, well, (9:42), now it's 43, 9:42. New message from Blynk, show, and here's now it's updated again, 43. After 1 minute it's sent, and nice, it worked. Great. You can also do this in the mobile by downloading the Blynk IoT app, and then you can do the same thing. You just go to devices, and then press on the plus sign up, and you are going to do the same thing. You are going to drag and drop the gauge, and one for the temperature and one for the humidity. One is V0 and one is V1, and the same thing, you will go to automations and do the same thing as we did over here. So the same thing goes for the app on the mobile. So now let me show you the code, and let me show you the connection also. This is the DHT11 and this is the ESP32. We connect those both together, the ground with the ground, and the pin with the G26, and the VCC with the 3V. Great. Let me show you the code, and this is the code. This is the libraries that I copied from this place as I showed you before. You go there and you go to where the devices and device info, and you take this one and then put it in the code. Well, so we will take this and put it over here. Okay, and this is the library for the Blynk. The DHT.h, this is the library for the sensor DHT11, which takes the temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, and over here this is the Blynk authentication token, which is this one, and this is the password and the SSD of the Wi-Fi. Okay, this is a blinker timer. This is used to schedule and manage the time events in the Blynk sketch. This is the sensor, the pin which I connected to it. Well, this specifies the type of the sensor being used, as it's DHT11. Okay. Well, this line declares a DHT and initializes it with the bin, okay, number and sensor type. The void send sensor, this line defines a function named as send sensor, which is responsible for reading the sensor data and sending it to the Blynk server. Okay, this is taking the humidity, and this is for reading the temperature. It checks if the reading is the same or valid using the insane function. Okay. And then prints an error if they are not. Okay. Well, and this is used to send the temperature. This is the V0 and this is the V1, which is for humidity. And this prints them, the T and the H. Okay, and this is for the Blynk. So over here, this is the ESP32 and this is the DHT11, and this is how it looks. Okay, and now we are done for it. Thank you.